In this video, we will look at how to use the AutoCorrect feature of Microsoft Word, to save and reuse formatted text. For example, a company's branding guidelines may require that the product name be written as shown here. Commonly, people copy and paste the formatted text at places they need to use it. A simpler way is to use the AutoCorrect feature, which allows us to save and reuse the pre-formatted text. For example, let us now save this pre-formatted text as an AutoCorrect text entry. Select the pre-formatted text. On the File menu, click Options. In the Word Options dialog box, from the list on the left, select Proofing. In the right pane, click AutoCorrect Options. In the AutoCorrect dialog box, in the Replace Text as You Type section, ensure that formatted text is selected. The formatted product name is displayed in the text box under With. In the Replace box, type a shortcut that you want to use to insert the product name. For example, prod name. Click Add. The entry is now displayed in the list of AutoCorrect entries. Click OK in the AutoCorrect dialog box. Click OK in the Word Options dialog box. This AutoCorrect entry is now saved in your computer. To use the AutoCorrect entry, in any Word document in your computer, type prod name and press the space bar. The AutoCorrect entry is replaced by the formatted text. You can use this AutoCorrect feature to create similar entries with or without formatting. Thank you for watching this video.